Hey guys, today I'm going to be working with Nadula Hair. I will leave all the information for this wig down below, all the good stuff, so you want to stay tuned in, okay? Because who doesn't like to save money? So they sent over this wig and it was a highlighted unit. I did not color anything or do anything like that, you guys. It came just like this, but I did wash the wig. Sometimes I wash them straight out the box, sometimes I don't, but this day I knew I was going to wear my wig for like a day or two, so I just wanted to make sure it was clean because my skin be going crazy, okay? And I'm in my bathroom because my back is a little injured, so sitting down for long periods of times is not fun, so that's why we're in here standing up. Anyways, so I'm putting on the wig and it looks good. As soon as I put it on, I said, oh baby, she's gonna eat. And I'm always kind of iffy about brown highlights. Like for me, I'm like, go big or go home. I want like a little blonde in there and stuff, but like it was perfect. It was so cute. So I'm doing my regular install. This is a glueless wig, so you do not have to add anything, but again, I wanted a little extra security, and I did like kind of customize the lace a little bit more. Again, you can do as you please, but you guys are going to see in the next few clips, you know, the hairline was kind of giving just a little bit, but I really love this wig. The texture of this hair, you guys, was so silky, but not in a bad way. I was obsessed. The way that it held a curl, the luster, the way it felt, it just was amazing. I feel like I have not had a wig like this in a minute. Like I was hyped. Like I think I might put her back on tomorrow because she ate. As far as styling, I wanted to keep it pretty simple. I did blow dry like the little body wave out just so that it looked nice and fluffy and it didn't have any ripples or kinks in it. And then I went ahead and started curling it. I used my bigger curling iron today so that the curls would be more of like a wave or a drop, not so tight, if that makes any sense. And that was it. It was really simple, you guys. This wig was so easy to style. I was actually shocked at how fast I finished my hair and how good it looked. So when I curled it, my curling method is kind of different. It might seem complex to some people, but it makes more sense to me. I like to do like what I call a rough draft curl, which is curling the hair first and then seeing where I want to layer. That way I can determine like, okay, do I want to do a bunch of layers? Do I just want to frame my face? Do I want to actually cut the hair? It just helps me once the hair is kind of styled to figure out what I want to do, or like, do I want to change my parting? Do I want to side part? It's just a me thing. That's how my brain works. So that's what I do. It seems like more work, but it's really not. It's really not if you think about it. So I ended up curling it, and I really didn't have to put layers because looking back at this footage, it looked great. After the initial curl, I really didn't have to cut anything, but I did add some face framing layers, and that was it. It looks so good, like the color, the curls, the luster, and I got so many compliments on my hair. When I went out, so many compliments. You guys have been seeing my hair on like Instagram, TikTok, and you guys have been asking like, what are the hair deeds? Well, here they are, you guys, and you need this wig. 100% you need this wig for the fall. Oh my gosh. And you guys know I keep it real short and sweet and straight to the point with these hair videos because we don't like it to be too complicated. It's too complicated, we don't want it. So make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair. I will leave all the information down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah, bye. Nadula.